Converting percent to decimal. How to convert percent to decimal? So we have to apply two methods here of converting percent to decimal. First, we have to do this one. 15 divided by 100 and drop the percent sign. And to divide 15 by 100, we have to copy first 15. The decimal point now of 15 is right after number 5. In our denominator, we have two zeros, so we have to move two places going to the left side. The decimal point now is here, and the equivalent of 15% in decimal form is 0.15. Next, we have another strategy, that is 15 divided by 100. We are going to use the long method of division. 15 divided by 100. 15 divided by 100 cannot be, so we have to multiply 0 times 100 is 0 and bring down 15. Add another 0, we have bring down 0, 150 divided by 100, we have 1, 1 times 100, we have 100, and 150 minus 100, we have 50, add another 0, bring down 0, 500 divided by 100 is 5, and multiply 5 times 100 is 500. Subtract, this is now 0. The equivalent of 15% in decimal is 0.50. We arrive at the same result. Now, let's proceed to problem number 2. 16%, convert this to decimal. That is 16 divided by 100. And we have to divide 16 divided by 100. First, we have to copy 16. The decimal point of here is right after number 6. It is now on the right side of 16. Then we have to move two places going to the left side of 16, since we have two zeros in our denominator. This is now equivalent to 0.16. That is equal to 16%. Another method we have to do the same, 16 divided by 100. That is using the long method of division, 16 divided by 100. 16 divided by 100 cannot be, that is 0, then 0 times 100 is 0, subtract 16 and 0, we have 16, add 0, bring down 0, we have our 160 divided by 100, we have 1, 1 times 100, we have 100, and 160 minus 100, we have 60, add 0 here, is bring down 0, it becomes 600, divided by 100, we have 6, 6 times 100, we have 600. Then we are going to subtract, this is now 0. The equivalent of 16% in decimal is 0.60. It is just the same to the first answer that we have. Now we have another example, 25%, change it to decimal. That is 25 divided by 100. And we have to divide 25 by 100. First, 25, the decimal point of 25 is right after number 5. And then we have to move the decimal point 2 places to the left side. We have it here. And the equivalent of 25% in decimal is 0.25. Now, we have to use another method, that is 25 divided by 100. Using the long method of division, we have to do this one. 25 divided by 100. 25 divided by 100 cannot be, so it is 0. So that is 0 times 100 is 0. Subtract, we have 25. Add 0 here, so that becomes 250 when we bring down 0. 250 divided by 100, we have number 2 times 100, we have 200. And 250 divide minus 200, we have 50, and add another 0 here, bring down 0. 500 divided by 100 is 5, and 5 times 100 is 500, then subtract, we have 0. The equivalent of 25% in decimal is 0.25. And number 4, convert 30% to decimal. 30 divided by 100, and drop the percent sign. You have to do the same, and copy number 30, and decimal point of 30 is right after 0, and we have to move the decimal point going to the left side twice. The decimal point is now here, and the equivalent now of 30% in decimal is 30.30. This is 0.30. And we have to do another strategy, that is 30 divided by 100. Using the long method of division, we have here 30 divided by 100. 30 divided by 100 cannot be, so that is 0, and subtract here. 30 minus 0 is 0. Add another 0 here, then we bring down 0, that is now 300 divided by 100. We have here number 3. 3 times 100 is 300, and 300 minus 300 is 0. The equivalent now of 30% in decimal is 0.3, or they are just the same as also 0.30. This is now the equivalent of 30% in decimal form. 0.30 is equivalent to 30%.